This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. This show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail product sourced whilst reducing the cost. Imagine juicy, crunchy wings in a hot and spicy buffalo sauce. So juicy and spicy, it makes you crunch with anticipation. Well, buffaloes must have wings. And flying over me house because it's raining beers. Where's the windy, crunchy bits? Yeah, it's hot, but for $9.95 they can clack right off. While you're here, why don't you subscribe and smash me bell? Thanks. Crack a couple of chook rags in a bowl, mix with some paprika for your wet. Tempura flour and panko breadcrumbs for the dry. Go wet, then dry. Put the top on and give it a good shake. Shallow fry in a wok at 180 degrees. I'm using veggie oil. You can use pre-made buffalo sauce, and in fact Pizza Hut uses baby ray sauces. It's real simple to use. Make your own from scratch. Or you can take a few shortcuts and use Frank's Red Hot sauce, chili oil and butter. Melt half a stick of butter in a hot pan. Frank's Red Hot chili oil, garlic, salt, cayenne pepper. Mix in your wings and plate it up. Works really well with ranch sauce. And it's still got me crunchy endy thingies. Not bad for $3.80. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.